Go, Sid! Service number 9, Jonas. Dinalo ni Creed, back over. 10 serving, 10. Deadlock at 10.
Ay, BBL yard.
Serving, jersey number 9. Baon.
B-A-O-N.
Filipino with a spike, not over.
Sino yun?
11 serving 10. Service by number 9.
B-A-O-N. Baon. Baon. Baon.
Baon. Nice serve. Error with the receive. Drop by Tino. Push by Zeke. Fritz with an attack. A net violation by Zeke. We are in another deadlock on 11.
Dito ko salita.
Hi guys, pasensya na po sa background. Edit nyo na lang po. Jom Acosta with the receive. Outside.
Challenge! Ay, siguro. Sobrang laki.
Good receive by the setter and bumped by
Hindi na nagkajawa si God.
We are in another deadlock. All 12. Yung bibig mo ah.
Nasa YouTube tayo.
Fritz with a push through.
Sorry, Gab.
Fritz in the service line. 13 serving 12. Gab with a pull-up. Jom Acosta.
Tamaan niya yata.
With Ken Definity. Ang hirap ng score 12-13 pa lang. 12-14 na.
12-13.
Service error by Fritz. We are in 19 na.
Go, Gab!
14. Gab Delote for the serve. Received by Error with a drop. Set by the opposite. Zeke will try. Good dig from the libero. Wally. Good pick up by the setter. Libero. They will force a free ball. Dropped by the setter. Bigyan na natin. Back set, not able to push through.
Oh, dalawa lang yan.
Hindi.
Kapit habol.
Kaya akala niya mapapalo.
Service. Si Ashley.
Okay, si Ashley.
Ayan na! Si Ashley si Error.
Out! Sabi niya, out! Nagalit ko eh. Sorry, Vlog!
Kuya Zeke, laban mo Kuya Zeke. That's my idol. Good serve. Air with an attack. It goes through. Gets them a 2-point advantage. Sipon serving. For Ken Definity. Good serve. Middle. Not over for Jonas.
Okay lang yan. Malayo pa. Malayo pa.
Okay, they're
Hey
gonna push
guys,
it.
please subscribe to my channel, Sami Chami.
Libero with the pickup. Costa with the push. Drops the ball. Air will try. Denial by Jonas. Boom! Denial by Jonas. 4-3.
Hindi maganda yun.
Jom Acosta with the serve. Jersey number 10. Nice serve. Wally with the pickup.
Uwi na.
Dino will try.
Uwi na, sir.
Libero will set it. Gab wasn't able to put it over.
Likod ata.
Go.
Yes, likod.
guys.
Parang gawin.
Eh, gusto niya paluin or gusto niyo gawin?
Ikaw ba yung sabi?
18 serving 15.
Wala, ba't lang yung
Tatlo.
In favor of
Nasa likod
Ken.
ng ano.
Good serve by Air.
Galing ni Gob.
Ah, not over.
Porsyento.
Gagi.
Good pickup by Air. Jom Acosta will give it to the setter. Pick up by Wally. Opposite attack. The setter was not able to connect. Jonas to break the point. Off the block.
Tatlo lang yan. Go.
Good serve. Zone 1.
Isa-isa. Dalawa na
Go,
lang.
Jason.
Stable blocking by Squad. Good serve. Pick up by Wally. They will force the back row set. Jonas for the open. Kinuha ng setter. Papalo si Fritz with the wall. Another attempt. Jonas will try that over.
Good.
Gagi na over. Pero sige, di naman ako referee.
Tatlo lang yan, guys. Tatlo lang. Isa lang. Go.
20 serving 17.
Kapit.
A down the line attack.
Down the line talaga.
Go, Joma. Action, sir.
Good serve. We are on a neck match. 19 serving 20. 1 point advantage by Candy Unity. Pick up by Wally. Fritz will try. Able to push through. Jonas will push it over. Middle attack by Dino inside. But unfortunately, we have a line judge.
Kaso.
The line judge declares
Hindi,
outside.
inside daw, sabi niya.
However, the first referee will rule the call.
Guys.
Inside.
Dito pakilabas.
Fritz with the serve. Good serve. Jonas will push it over. Air is inside. Air will try, not over.
Go, guys. Dalawa.
Squad will push with a 1 point advantage by Denver Phillips. Now serving, jersey number 9, Jonas. Paol. Good serve. Pick up by Air. Air will try. Off speed. Zeke will try. Zeke pushes it through. We are in another deadlock. We are all 21. Jersey number 9, serving. Jonas. Pick up by Wally. Air will try. Denial! Massive block. massive block by the setter. Gab
Yes.
serving, jersey number 9. Jonas. Foul. Fritz with the pickup. Dino will try. Jom unable to put it in play. Air will try. Air pushes it through. We are all in 22. Another deadlock. This is the 4th deadlock in
Guys,
this game.
advantage nyo. Sure. Patay.
This is a very neck and neck match. Serve. Libero. A drop ball but read by Air. Air will try. Air get good. Amazing save by Joe Acosta. Outside Air pushes it out.
Okay, goes.
Joe Acosta with the serve. Jersey number 10.
Kanina ka, out yun eh. Yun na lang eh. Galit na yun.
Squad with a 1-point advantage. 23 serving 22. Wally with a pick up. Si set sa open. Check.
Okay. Sure.
Zeke will try. Zeke will push it through. Zeke is at squad is now in match point. Will Jom give a service ace? Now serving jersey number 10. Jom Acosta. Good serve, safe serve, good decision. Air will try. Jom will set to the open. Good. Air pushes it. Air saves another match point. We are now at 24-23. Who will come up at top? Good serve. Zeke will try. Ay, over naman sa Sigaw. Air will try. Off speed. Zeke. Outside! Zeke pushes it outright. We are now at all 24. Use. Good serve. Gabo set it to Zeke. Check ball! Squad is now at match point. 25 serving 24. Jersey number 3 with the serve. Gab. Outside! He pushes it outside. We are now at 25 all. This is the 6th deadlock of the game.
Go, guys.
Air in the service line. Who will come up at top? Denial. Fritz will try. Drop ball. Wally with the save. A push by the setter. Zeke will try. Wally wasn't able to keep the ball alive. We are now in the 7th match point. 7th match point o in 7th match point. Parang pangatlo pa lang. Pangatlo pa hala. Jersey number 18, Benjamin with the serve. Si Kuya Zeke. Oh my God! Another set point save.
Kaya yan!
FU. No blocker! Oh my God! Fritz will try. Jonas with a push. Jonas finds the spot. Squad is now at match point 27-26.
Oh, chat!
Dino will push it. Jonas will try off speed. Fritz outside. Fritz will save another match point. This is the 7th deadlock.
Okay na talaga.
6 kanini. Deadlock sister, hindi match point.
Ay, ano? Deadlock pala.
Jom will try. Ingay ng boses nito. Fritz. They will send it over. Jom, gawan mo ng paraan.
Jom!
Oh my God! The tables have turned. And Definity is now at match point. Ay! Bakit may bote kumakain?
24 minutes na.
Dino for the serve. Ay, hindi pala siya yun. Jom will try denial by the setter. Jonas Brothers. It's good! And we have a rally.
Sige lang.
Fritz will try.